This is the introduction of Kelly Ferguson. My family consists of myself, my husband, our 2 kids, Finnegan, who is 4, Ivy, who is 2, and our dogs, Emma, who is 13, and Doc, who is 9. My interests range from a variety of activities, but most frequently and more recently, running, reading, hiking, swimming, or really anywhere near a body of water works for me, and playing board games with my kids. A little bit about me. I was born and raised in Belleville, Illinois, which is about 30 minutes outside of St. Louis. I've lived on the Missouri side of the state line for more than 15 years. I have a bachelor's of science in psychology from Missouri Baptist University. Most of my career, I've worked in social services, providing training and leadership to caregivers, supporting people with disabilities. For the last year, I have worked for Cerner Corporation as a learning leader. I'm equal parts project manager for training and delivering curriculum, as well as I have a special project that I'm working on, that I've been working on since I started, creating a Train the Trainer program for our facilitators working in the federal space alongside the DoD and the VA, as well as the Coast Guard. For my goals, I intend to graduate from this program in the spring of 2023. My specialization is workplace design and performance improvement. I would like to continue what I'm currently doing, only on a larger scale, focusing on curriculum design, content creation, leadership, and delivery. And that is a little bit about me. Thank you for your time.